Hello, my name is Dayanara Domingo, or you can simply call me Yari. I'm excited to introduce myself and share why the virtual assistant role is the ideal job for me. I've gained valuable experience as an HR and admin support professional in a cybersecurity company. I managed administrative functions such as handling emails and phone calls, schedule calendar meetings, and coordinate travel arrangements. I have also established smooth operations in the recruitment and onboarding process by utilizing our HRIS platform, Employment Hero, and other job websites such as LinkedIn and Seek. This role demanded exceptional organizational skills, attention to detail, and the ability to handle multiple tasks efficiently. I also worked previously as a client service analyst in a proxy advisory firm, where I served as the bridge between the company and our clients. This role taught me to adapt quickly in a diverse need of the client, remain calm under pressure, and improve my communication skills. I've become proficient on various tools such as CRM, tools like Salesforce, admin tools such as Microsoft Office Suite, database management tools such as SQL, and communication tools such as Zoom and Skype. I became adept at multitasking, problem solving, and ensuring client satisfaction. Apart from my professional experiences, I am also skilled in basic graphic designing by using tools such as Canva, as well as video editing tools such as CapCut. Although I don't have direct experience as a virtual assistant, I am a quick learner. Throughout my career, I found that my strengths lie in my ability to adapt rapidly, learn fast, and solve problems efficiently and effectively. I understand the importance of adaptability and am committed to acquiring the necessary skills to excel in this role. My previous roles have equipped me with a strong foundation in organization, communication, and administrative skills, which will be beneficial as I transition into this field. So why do I believe that virtual assistant role is perfect for me? Basically, it combines all the elements I'm passionate about: organization, efficiency, and client interaction. I thrive in environments where I can leverage technology to streamline processes and provide support. Being a virtual assistant allows me to do just that, while also offering the flexibility to work remotely without having to worry about commuting and manage my own schedule. I am the best person you need for this job because I have the necessary skills for a virtual assistant, as I have good administrative ability. In addition, I can communicate well and work effectively in a team. I do understand how important it is to be reliable and hardworking in this field. I am dedicated in providing excellent service that goes beyond what was expected and help you improve your company. When you choose me, I will continue to keep striving for improvement and encourage the others to do the same. I am really looking forward to the possibility of working together and making an impact on your team. Thank you so much for thinking.